Hi! In this video, we'll learn how to use data to support and add to a story that revolves around what the data is showing. A data story combines visuals with a compelling narrative to help audiences understand the importance of the data being explained. A data story is typically created to promote change or to convince people to take action or start a movement. There are a lot of different formats in which a data story can be created and shared, such as an infographic, an image or post on social media,
or in a blog.
A data story is created using three main aspects. It must involve data, of course, which is what backs the story. There should also be visuals to help explain what the data is showing, as well as a narrative or story that makes the data interesting and exciting. A few ways to make a data story engaging is to appeal to the audience's emotion by focusing on data that is encouraging, or on the flip side, data that is anger-inducing. You can also choose to appeal to an audience's intellect by focusing more heavily on the data, logic, and reason rather than emotions. Another option is to appeal to an audience's sense of community. This type of story focuses on the people involved in the studies over the data or analysis. There are a few steps that can be followed in order to create an effective data story.
The first step is to know your audience.
This could change your decision on whether you decide to create an image to share on social media or maybe write a blog post instead. In step 2, you will analyze and pinpoint the important data that will back up your story. Once you know what data will help your story along, you can outline the story arc. It should have a beginning or introduction, an explanation of the data, and a conclusion, which includes next steps or action items that should follow. The next step is when you get to tap into your artistic side. Draft a design that will be eye-catching and organized and includes all of the story elements and visuals that will explain and tell the data story. Don't forget to assess your blind spots and have someone else review and leave feedback on your design, the data, and the overall story. After that, you can polish up all the individual visuals and information and share your story. The best part of creating a data story is that you can use your strengths to make the story more visual if you have artistic talent, or maybe add more to the narrative if writing is your strength. All right, well now it's your turn to dive deeper and explore more about these concepts.